Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a beautiful day. Those who are new here, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll be painting this in my sketchbook. So without any further ado, let's get started. I already sketched this portrait. You can pause and sketch it down. I'll be using gouache colors today. For the face, I'm starting with the basic skin tone. This is my second or third attempt of painting portrait with gouache. I'm also not very good in this, but I'm learning and motivating myself where I lack. So there will be a reflection of light. That's why I chose a dark background behind it. In the way the color complements each other. So next day I visited an exhibition to get some inspiration. I really loved how the artist expressed the deep knowledge in the form of abstract art. All the paintings were beautifully represented and it was lovely going there. Coming back to my home, I started painting where I left. So I am enjoying how this portrait is coming out. I really loved the colors and the posture. I thought of changing the background as I was not happy with it. So I decided going with the flat race. This was my favorite part in the painting, giving the small tiny details. So this painting looks a little incomplete for me. So I decided to give it a vintage look with the golden paint. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.